I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
International.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to another video. It is Sugar here. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the bell. And today we're going to be doing another install, except for it's going to be like a reinstall because sadly while this video was in the editing process, I had to do an iOS update and my SD card was still plugged in and it caused everything to get corrupted, so it was lost. I recovered a lot of my stuff, but that was one of the things I did not recover, so we're gonna go ahead and reinstall it today together. It's gonna be super quick and easy. It's a very easy install to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out my current install and let's go ahead and get started. Okay sweeties, so now I just have on a regular wig cap with my closure wigs and T-part wigs and things like that. I don't do anything too special. I just take a contour shade on a brush, and this wig is meant to be a middle part, but I'm gonna go ahead and wear it as a side part because I think it looks cuter that way. So I'm just going to do the side that I know it's going to be on, and I'm gonna get it really good. Make sure you get that band really good as well, because it is the lightest part of that cap, and that should do. So like I said, it's supposed to be in the middle like this. Not really feeling it, so I do want it to be like a deep side part. And I'm making sure where the closure stops is like right by my ear, so all of that looks more natural, and then it's going to be a little bit over this way as well. I'm going to kind of pin it up out of the way. For my adhesive, I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond. I usually do like 3 layers. I think I'm just going to do like 2 and call it at that. But yeah, I'm just going to put it right where that closure is. So I'm going to move this back some. Okay, y'all, so now you see, like, that's my process of how I kind of make the part pop. I did not tweeze in there at all because sometimes with the T-part wigs it starts to look funny, so I just kind of mask it with my contour and put a little around there to make it look a little bit more like it's scalp showing through. As you can see, I kind of have put some waves in this hair. I think it's really pretty with this color, so I'm just going to freshen those up really quickly with the Bedhead Wave Artist. I got this from Walmart. It was like $27. Yeah, so let's get into that. Alright ladies, so I want to tell you my final thoughts before we get up out of here. I really love this wig. I absolutely love the color. It is so pretty for fall. It's a really good like mixture between the red and the brown. It's not too red, but it's not too brown, and I love that because I'm not huge on color, but it's really nice. I'm not a T-part wig lover, but this one is really nice. I love that it's not touching my ears, and I can like switch it and swatch it around anywhere I want to. And the density is really nice. I wear this wig and I sleep in it and I forget I have it on. That's how comfortable this wig is. So I kind of really dig it. I think it's believable enough. If you're looking for like a pre-colored wig, because those can get really pricey, this could be really great for you. You know, it has the part, you can make it look believable without spending so much money, because 13x4s plus the pre-colored, you're looking at hundreds of dollars, you know. So this is a really great option if you're looking for something human hair that has that color and can be believable all at the same time. So this one I'm giving a check. I didn't know if I was gonna really like it. When I first pulled it out, I was like, oh god, a T-part wig. But this one is really nice. I have worn it out many times. I feel really comfortable in it. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up. And that's pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank Unice for sending this over to me. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, and the bell. Make sure all notifications are on so you know when I'm uploading more content. And I will see you ladies in the next one. Stay sweet.